movement. To move, push the toggle on the left side of the screen lightly. To accelerate faster, move the toggle all the way in the direction you want to go. You can also hop on hoverboard by tapping the state icon. Pinch 2 fingers on the screen to zoom in, or spread them apart to zoom out. To rotate the camera, simply tap and move your finger anywhere on the screen in the direction that you want to turn. You can rotate your device sideways for a horizontal configuration. This view is quite useful if you mirror your phone to your TV. You can find links to these tutorials in the main menu of the app. Camera and perspective. Tap the camera icon to change the third-person view to first-person view. You can use your phone gyroscope to lock camera movement to your phone. To activate that tap cube icon in the lower right part of the screen. That way, when you rotate your phone, the camera in-game will follow. Gestures. The gesture hand icon menu is placed on the lower right part of the screen. When you tap on it, a gesture menu will appear. These are used to communicate with other avatars and carry out actions in the multiverse worlds. To jump, click the jump icon. The wave icon on the right to wave. Voice chat. You have the ability to talk with others via live voice. You can do this to people that are close to you. Press and hold the purple microphone button. When you do this, people that are in closer proximity will hear your voice.
Hi, how are you doing? Hello there, I'm fine, thank you.
Text chat. Click 3 dots in the upper right side of your screen and then chat bubble icon. This is a text-based chat. You can search chat with friends that you have made and added in the multiverse. You can also start a general chat with everyone by clicking Start a Chat on the bottom of the screen. Friend Finder. To find a friend, tap on the avatar icon on the upper right side of your screen. Type a name or username to find them. Click arrow icon near their name, and a dialog box will appear to teleport to the user. Dancing. When there is music, a dance icon will appear. Clicking it will make your avatar start dancing. You can also click the eye icon to focus on the stage. User profile. If you see someone close to you in the environment and tap on their avatar, their social profile will appear. Here, you can follow or unfollow them, mark them as a favorite, start a chat, or click the 3 dots to report the user if they are harassing or violating the rules. Enjoy your experience in the multiverse.